In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to Access Passwords and Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, select Start at the bottom. Wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. And when you finish, tap on Done. Then adjust all of those options. Click on Home button. And now finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!